we moved over to sit in the ground where it's a bit warmer. I've put a flanny in. I'm soaked in the cold. As you see, if you can see through there, you can actually see the blue sky coming. I can see it breaking over there. The storm's nearly gone. Look at those trees bending in the wind. Ooh, that was a beauty. That was enjoyable, except for the cold now, as we're starting to freeze because of how damp we got. But yeah, there it is. Have a look at that. Look at that clear up. Nothing behind it. No storm. All over. All finished. Oh, it's going to be good to hear the news on this one. Yeah. All right. Cam and Adam are on their way through. They phoned only 5 minutes ago, or phoned them 5 minutes ago. They're on their way through the city. They'll be here in the next 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. It'll all be over. Wow. You can still hear the thunder behind us. But yep, nice, beautiful blue cloudy sky over there. What a ripper. It's not even 3 o'clock yet. It's only 2:20 I said it was. 2:20. Looks like 6 o'clock at night. Whew. Oh, I wish I had a warm shower now. Cold. Look at that. All gone. All gone, coming through. Still hear the thunder. Doesn't want to let go. Yep, another 5 minutes, 10 minutes from now, there won't be any rain at all. All be gone. Yep, that's our summer storms. What was that? About 45 minutes worth of it. Yeah, if that. Feels like a lot longer because all the running around we did and taking videos of it. But, yeah, 45 minutes, that's all it was. Wind gusts up to 150 k's at times, around the 100. Yeah, it's the Queensland summer storm here in Brisbane. They're fun. They just develop only about 300-400 k's from here. Out at Warwick, Toowoomba, in the Brisbane Valley, they develop there or a bit further south, and then launch. They just charge through between 50 and 150 k's an hour, but depending on how ferocious they are, they wipe out a whole stack of stuff on the way through. And from time to time you even get a couple of little tornadoes in there. But yeah, that's it. Look at it. Hardly raining at all now. Wind's almost gone. Hardly even think it was here, except for the damage done. Luckily we didn't get much done, so not much to worry about. I did see it coming. I said, no, I'm not going to hang the posts. We'll wait till it goes, and tomorrow we can clean it out and we can hang the posts. But that's just caused us another day's work. Might see about pumping it out this afternoon. Give us something to do. That way it can dry a little bit by tomorrow. All it's going to do is just sit there and make everything more muddy. Alright. Okay, Nick. Well, we might as well get out and get the pump out. And we'll start pumping water. Get it out of the way. That's the end of the storm for today. Hey guys, once again, I hope you enjoy that. I'll get it all on YouTube. And yeah, I hope it's worth watching. We'll find out when I put it on the computer later on tonight. Okay, see you later. Bye.